Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today is giveaway day and we got some watch faces to give away by SMB. The name of the watch face that we are going to be giving away today is going to be called Animated Sentinel, right? Nice watch face. The developer definitely did his work on this one, right? I loved it. You guys liked it. And we're giving it away. So we got a few and all to give away right now. We're gonna make this super quick because we got a huge giveaway. We're talking about the biggest mega giveaway ever. And in the door, I need to let you know, if you know anybody that wants a code, and all these codes that we're giving away are for the US. He gave me a lot of them. So if you know anybody that needs a free watch face code, definitely give them my email. And if we have any left, we will give it out. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get this done and over with. And the name of the watch face again, Animated Sentinel, right? Now for the UK, the winners are Richie and David Tolbert. Congratulations, you guys. You guys are a winner once again. And for the US, you got Scott Norris and you got Lori. What's up, Lori? And congratulations to you too. And also we got Canada. Now for Canada, it's going to be Ronnie Miranda and Trap Shooter. Congratulations, you guys. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for the love on the channel. And enjoy the free watch face, right? I will be sending you the code real soon, and look out for it in your email. If I'm not mistaken, I got everybody's email on this list. Now, the watch face that we're going to be giving away is going to be by SMZ. 45 people, 45, and I don't think I got 45 people that consistently watch my channel. So we need to give these away. We don't want them to go to the wayside. So again, if you know anybody from the US that wants a free watch face code, let me know. The developer is supposed to send me some watch face code for pretty much every country that's supporting the channel. That's Mexico, Japan, we got the US, we got Canada, we got the UK, and we also got India. So let's see what happens, you all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for the love on the channel. And with that, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care and have a great night.